We've almost finished preparing our design for laser cutting. The last thing we need to do is take a closer look at the text. The word laser includes two islands or areas of negative space, one in the letter A and one in the letter R. These areas will not remain in the final design unless we bridge or join them to the main contour. Fortunately, this is an easy process in Fusion 360. We can simply use the line command in the Sketch tab to connect the negative space to the rest of the contour. Use dimensions and constraints to precisely place the line geometry as desired. I'll make this 0.1 inches in width by applying the dimension command. Keep in mind that this thickness must be reasonable per your material of choice and the material's thickness. It's then critical that we trim away any unwanted lines so we're left with a clean contour path. This includes the original geometry that makes up the A shape. Because our geometry was originally projected, we'll need to break the projection link. Working with text is one scenario where breaking the projection link is unavoidable. Simply hold down the Shift key and select any pieces of geometry that need to be trimmed. You can then select this project icon, followed by the delete key. However, the icon can be difficult to select, so I prefer to right-click, followed by the break link option. Both options will remove the projection link, turning the geometry into standard sketch geometry. Notice the line color is no longer purple. We can then activate the Trim tool from the Modify dropdown. The Trim tool allows us to quickly select line segments to trim away to their nearest intersection. For example, I'll select the bottom and top. Depending on your constraints and dimensions applied, you may get some warning messages in the lower right corner. This is nothing to worry about, though you should be cautious and keep an eye on what you're removing. Notice our letter A is now ready to be cut on a laser cutter. Be sure to double check it's a closed profile by selecting the inside contour. You'll need to repeat this process for all letters that include an island or area of negative space. To summarize, we bridged the negative spaces in our text to ensure they can be cut by the laser cutter without losing the inner islands of specific letters. Our Fusion 360 design is now ready to be exported as a DXF for the laser cutter.